Now we're going to cover side planks. This is a traditional side plank. So you can have your hand on a dumbbell if you prefer, or just regular, like this. So your core is tight, your bottom hip is lifted up, it's not sagging down, and you just hold it. Now you can put one foot behind the other foot to make it a little bit easier. That's one modification. I've also seen this modification for a side plank with that bottom knee down. You can do the side plank on your elbow as well. That's going to increase the difficulty, just like on a regular plank. Be sure that those hips aren't rolling backward or forward, and try not to let that hip dip. I know it's difficult. So ways that you can make the side plank easier are going to be just like this. Get a bench, get a chair, and do it against the chair. That's going to be less gravity. I like to add resistance to side planks, and I really like to do, I don't know what to call them besides side plank up downs. So I like to add resistance here. You can hold that steady, or you can dip it down and up, down, up, like that. I'll show you what it looks like from the side. So you can see that my hip bones aren't rolling forward. They're not rolling backwards. That's one modification. Another one is called like a crunching movement with the side plank. So you can hold the side plank here and do a crunch and a reach. Crunch, reach. Just a fun modification if you want to mix it up a little bit. So one thing I want you to notice here, this is actually a common mistake. Look at the angle of my wrist and my hand to my shoulder. It's actually a little bit too far out right now. Ideally, that wrist and shoulder, or excuse me, wrist and hand are directly beneath the shoulder. That way you don't strain it. So that would be correct. That would be incorrect. So I'm going to line that up and show you that side crunch again. Going in, out, in, out. All right, that's the side plank. It's one of my more likable core exercises, and I hope that you like it too. If you have any questions on the side plank, let me know.